Okay, so Stella walks 4 kilometers per hour on a bearing of 45 degrees true. Julie walks at the same speed on a bearing of 315 degrees true. Find Stella's speed relative to Julie's. So we're going to find Stella's velocity first. So the velocity of Stella, so Vs, is going to look like this. So 45 degrees true, so up here, and 4 kilometers per hour, so that's the magnitude, and we've got 45 degrees in there. So the vector for Stella's velocity is going to equal 4 cos 45 degrees I plus 4 sine 45 degrees J. Next we've got Julie, so the velocity of Julie, so Vj, is going to look like this. So from true, 315 degrees, so all the way around there. And so this is 45 degrees in there, and she walks at the same speed, so it's still a magnitude of 4 kilometers per hour. So the velocity of Julie is going to look like this. So we've got negative 4 cos 45 I plus 4 sine 45, and that negative 4 cos 45 is negative because it is in the negative I direction. Okay, so it says find Stella's speed relative to Julie. So I want to find that. So going back to my relative velocity formula, the velocity of Stella relative to Julie plus the velocity of Julie equals the velocity of Stella. Now I know both the velocity of Julie and the velocity of Stella. So I'm just going to rearrange my formula. So velocity of Stella relative to Julie equals the velocity of Stella minus the velocity of Julie. Now that's negative the whole velocity of Julie. So here I'm just going to do my I and J components. So this velocity of Stella, take away this whole velocity of Julie. So this is going to turn into a positive, and this one's going to turn into a negative. So I'm going to do the velocity of Stella, so V cos 45 plus, because remember there's a negative here, so that changes these signs. So 4 cos 45 plus 4 cos 45 I, and then with the J's, 4 sine 45 minus 4 sine 45. So this will work out to be 0, and this is basically 2 lots of each other. So you will get the velocity of Stella relative to Julie is equal to 8 on root 2 I, if you do it using your special triangles, or you'll get 5.66 I, velocity of Stella relative to Julie. So then the magnitude of that is obviously 5.66 kilometers per hour, and it's only heading in one direction, which is out this way, so it's heading east.